Learning French? Let's unlock the secret power of articles. Articles are those tiny words like a and de. In French, they're small, but trust me, mighty. They show if a word is masculine, feminine, singular, or plural. First up, definite articles, meaning for masculine words. Use, le, for example. Le garçon means the boy. Next, for feminine words, it's la, for example. La fille means the girl. For vowels, we use definite article differently, like before a vowel or silent, H. French gets smooth. We drop the vowel and use elle. For example, l'école means the school. And at last, if it's plural, no matter the gender, it's always les. For example, les livres means the books. So remember, le, la, elle, les, they all mean the, but they change to match the noun. Next are indefinite articles, the French version of a or some. For masculine, un. For example, un homme means a man. Next up for feminine, une. For example, une femme means a woman. And last, when there's more than one, it's des. For example, des enfants, meaning some children. Think of it this way. Un and une are for one thing, and de is for more than one. Now for the delicious ones, partitive articles, used for some or a portion of something. In masculine, it's du. For example, du pain means some bread. In feminine, de la, for example, de la soupe, meaning some soup. Before a vowel or silent H. Use de elle. For some water, you can say de l'eau. And for plurals, use de. For example, des frites, meaning some fries. So when you're talking about just a part of something or a non-countable thing, like bread, water, or soup, partitives are your best friend. Golden rule. In French, nouns almost always need an article. You should say, j'aime le chocolat. Never say, j'aime chocolat. Voila! Now you've mastered the basics of French articles. Small words that make a big difference. If this helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more French tips.